Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite fall decor. I pulled out all my holiday decorations. I want to share with you guys where they're from. I picked up a few new things from the craft store, and I also want to share with you guys a few easy DIYs and how to make your room feel more festive for fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below because I am doing daily videos for the month of October and you don't want to miss any. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just get right into it. So firstly, I want to share with you guys what I picked up from Joann Fabrics recently in one of my week in my life vlogs. I will insert the card in case you guys want to check it out. I shared that I went to the craft store and I picked up a few things. Everything was seriously so cheap. I paid $8 for everything, and honestly it was like all 50% off. So if you're looking for a good deal, or if you're just like a cheap easy DIY, just keep watching. So first off, I picked up some fake leaves. I'm going to share with you guys in a DIY what I'm going to do with these, but I picked up 4 different packs. 2 of them are these 7 mixed leaves. They just have like little gold foil, and I was kind of like, oh my gosh, there's only 7 in here, but it's because they have like gold and fun like sparkly stuff on them, I guess. And then I picked up 2 separate packs that have 24 and then 50 leaves, and these are just like littler leaves. I don't know, their pricing was a little weird, but these were only like $1 or $2, and then I got them for 50% off, so it was seriously so cheap. And I'm so excited because I used to have a ton of those, and I had these cute little DIYs that I'm going to share with you guys, but I can't remember where I put them last year, and honestly I might have just thrown them away because I had them for so long. And then while I was at Joann's, they had a little Halloween like craft section, and I went there and picked up a few of these little wooden things to paint. So this one is a little wooden plaque and it says "Hey Boo," and this was $2. I think it was marked down, so I probably paid like $1.50 for it, but I just thought this would be fun to paint and put on my desk. And then along with that, they had these little skeletons who do yoga. I don't know, it was so cute but so weird at the same time, and I picked up 3 of them, and I just thought these would be so fun to have sitting on my desk after I paint them. So that is going to be one of our DIYs. That's what I picked up from Joann Fabrics. I seriously thought it was such a steal to get all of that for like $8 and just to be able to decorate my room with it. And then like I mentioned, I pulled out my fall decor, which I want to share with you guys where everything is from because I feel like I'm going to get a lot of questions about it. So the first 2 things are these little throw pillows. I've had these on my bed for a few Octobers now. I picked them up at Target, I want to say in 2016. They were in their dollar bins, so I paid $5 for each of them, which I thought was such a steal. So this one just says "Boo" all over it. It has black glitter on it, and then the back side of it is just black, and then this one says "Boo" and it's like the same black glitter, and then the back of it is black again. I think these look so cute sitting like that on my bed, which I'm going to show you guys how I like to put them on there when we're decorating. And then also in our holiday bins, I put some holiday t-shirts that I got last year, and this one just says "Happy Halloween," and this is from Born to Be Sassy. I will have them listed down below. They are seriously one of the cutest monogramming companies, and they just do custom little shirts like this. And then I have this Hello Fall like baseball tee, and this is seriously so soft. I'm so excited to wear this October. And then I also have my sparkly glitter pumpkin. Honestly, I have no idea where this is from, but I know like Target and craft stores sell pumpkins like this, so I just have had this for so long, but it just kind of matches my room decor. In a few of my videos you might have seen these because I already pulled them out, are these little glass candle holders, and they just have little Halloween decor on them, and I put like a little fake candle in here. And these are from the Yankee Candle store. I bought them a few years back, and I just think they're so cute. Again, they match my room decor really well. The last Halloween piece that I already had is from Target. These were in the dollar section when I picked up the pillows, and they are these little string lights that are pumpkins, and it lights up orange. I like to put this on the background of my desk, especially since I'm filming over there a lot. I just feel like it looks really cute. So next I want to share with you guys how to do these fun DIYs and how to add some fall decor to your room. First things first, I'm going to put on some music. I have been loving this fall playlist on my Spotify, which is just that Kelly 2 Y's Tomlinson. It's linked down below in case you guys want to check it out. And then I'm going to head over to Pinterest because I love adding a fun fall background to my computer. I feel like it just really like adds that fall piece to your room. I have a board called Wallpapers on my Pinterest, which is linked down below as well. If you scroll through it, there's tons of different options, but at the bottom I have some really fun fall ones. So then to do this, you just download the image and save it to your computer, and then you can just set it as your wallpaper. And then I put the cute little pumpkin that I showed you guys earlier on my nightstand and put my cute new throw pillows on my bed. And then I'm going to show you guys my first DIY, which is this cute little leaf banner thing that I put next to my tassels. So you're going to need some fake leaves, some tape, string, and I bought this at Target. It's like in the party section. And then some scissors. It's so simple, you guys. So first things first, you're going to pull out the string, get it as long as you need it. I put a little knot, you can put a little loop on the end, whatever, just to know that's the end of the string. Then you're going to open up your leaves. They're seriously so pretty. It instantly added a fall vibe to my room. And it's so simple, you guys. So you're just going to flip over the leaf and put a piece of tape on the back and tape it to the string, and you're just going to keep doing this. You can place them however you'd like. You can do the spacing, whatever. You can add more leaves, less leaves, just whatever you want to do. And I just added a little bit of space, and it's seriously such an easy, cheap, fun fall DIY. And then towards the end, I wanted to make sure I had it long enough, and then you're just going to cut it. And this is me hanging it up. I love placing it right here. It just really adds to that fall aesthetic. I have the little DIY tassels behind it. I just think it's so stinking cute, you guys. And I also made one for above my desk area, and I just think it turned out so cute. And with all the leftover leaves, you can just kind of scatter them throughout your room just to add some more of that fall aesthetic. I added my cute little candles on my desk and put more leaves around them. And then I put some batteries in my little pumpkin lights, and you guys, it's so cute. They're orange. I love them. And I have one more DIY to share with you guys. They turned out so cute. So those little wooden things, I'm going to take all the stickers off, and we're going to get the painting supplies out. I have my paint palette, and then I did a metallic black, a sparkly gold, and then a hot pink, of course, because pink is my favorite color. I recommend using a piece of paper or some sort of surface underneath in case you get paint on it so it doesn't go straight onto your desk or wherever you're working. And then I'm just gonna put the paint in my little palette and take a paintbrush and start painting. It's so simple, and it turned out so cute, you guys. Okay guys, so our little skeleton DIY painting project is currently drying. I totally forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, I added new bracelets to my Etsy shop. So if you guys want to check it out, it is listed down below. I'm currently wearing 2 of them, and they're so cute. They're so fun for Halloween. This purple one says boo, and it's just like purple sparkly glitter beads, and then the orange one says spooky. I just thought they'd be so perfect for the month of October and Halloween and like spooky season. So if you guys are interested, they are only $3. They're listed down below in my Etsy shop, so definitely check them out. They're just like such a fun little Halloween accessory. I think they're going to be great for this whole month, and I have been wearing them like crazy. I just think they're so much fun, but I just wanted to share that with you guys in this little video. Let's get back to the DIY. And I put 2 coats of paint on each little skeleton. It only took around 20 minutes, and then I picked them off the paper and placed them where I wanted them on my desk, and I just think it is so fun and really adds that personal little touch because they are hot pink. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun fall video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys did. I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite thing is about fall, because I love being able to chit chat with you guys in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!